Thank you, Ibrahim. Now, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Haji, has warned corrupt individuals that there shall be no negotiations with graft suspects. The DPP made the remarks during a multi-agency forum where plea bargaining guidelines were launched. KTN's George Maringa now reports.
The multi-agency forum brought together the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, the Judiciary, among others. The objective, discussing diversion of cases as an alternative route to prosecution.
Plea again, actually, if we look at what is happening with corruption, we have so many cases that are still pending in court. We have a misconception that taking these routes is an element of giving in to criminals. But look at certain cases. There are cases in this country that started when I was a bachelor. Today, my children are almost getting married. They have not been concluded. Where are we heading to?
Diversion of cases is an alternative route to justice, whereby the offenders will be given an opportunity to settle their matters out of court.
We have had several offers because of the misconception and misunderstanding of what plea bargaining entails, either through the ESCC or the DCI's office or my office, for a lot of people who we have charged with corruption cases to enter in plea bargaining agreements.
According to the DPP, there have been misunderstandings among corruption suspects. They must first plead to the charge before bargaining is done. The DPP now says 64.5 million Kenya shillings paid by Family Bank as a result of plea bargaining will be returned back to the National Youth Service to benefit the youth. The Family Bank had been charged alongside other suspects in the 791 million NYS scandal. The bank entered into a plea bargaining with the office of the DPP and it was fined 64 million shillings.
What I want to assure the public is that this process will be a process of integrity and that we will, in every step that we make, publicize the reasons as to why, especially in public interest cases.
Diversion of cases will reduce overcrowding and stretching of the prisons, since most cases will be settled out of court.
So when a plea bargaining comes in, it is not out of nothing. It is not out of forcing an innocent person to go to prison or to take the burden of the trial. It is because the person has weighed the chances and seen that there are chances that 75% I am going to be convicted in this matter.
The plea bargaining guidelines will be adopted and streamlined across the country. George Maringa,